The day alone was going great until 50. Yo! What just happened? Guys, I think I plugged in way too much stuff. It made the power go out. Which one is it? Guys, my parents are calling me. Be super quiet, please. Hello?
Hey, you okay?
Yeah, why?
I can't stand here on the cameras. What happened?
It's because you used too much power.
Hey, what was that?
No, it wasn't anybody.
that?
It wasn't anybody. It was just the TV.
What do you mean TV? There's no power. How are you watching TV?
Listen, it's just a radio. It's just a radio.
You're with people, be honest.
There's nobody here. It's just a radio. I'm telling you.
Hey, we gotta go. You know what? We're coming home right now.
No.